Alright, today guys, we're going to be doing another fishing video. We're at a different spot here today, so the last spot didn't really produce much, so we're going to try this spot and see if we do any better here. I'll get back to you guys if we start catching them. Alright, we're about to make the first cast here, and see if we can catch anything. I'm going to go down here and stand on these rocks here. I think we're going to stand, I don't know, I'm trying to think of a way to not fall off these rocks. We'll stand down here and make the first cast down here. Alright, today we're just using a plain old white spinner. Let's see if we can catch anything. Nothing on that cast. Let's see. I'm gonna try whoops. I'm gonna try to cast over by them rocks there. There's probably fish laying in there. This is a pretty nice spot here, and the water's nice and clear. So I don't think we'll have any trouble trying to catch anything here. Some good water here. Yeah, you can see the spinner plain as day right there. Things. Some nice water. Got a little bit of grass on there. Oh, that's a fishing line. Huh. Got caught in someone else's mess. Take that out. Oh, that was not a good cast. We'll try that again here. See if we can get a better cast over in that corner. Or there. Doesn't really matter. I think we had a couple hits there, I don't know. It's hard to tell. Oh, I think we caught that branch up there. I think we got off there. I didn't see that branch there. I'm surprised we haven't got a bite yet. I might change up to a different thing here if we don't get any more, if we don't get any bites here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna change up something. I don't think the spinner's doing it for us because we should have had a bite by now. At least I think we should have. I'll get back to you guys once I change up. Alright guys, I changed up to some Gulp soft plastics. We have it on a jig head, so I think this should work a lot better than what we were using before. We're gonna see how we can, well, we're gonna see if we can catch anything. Alright, we're gonna make the first cast of this. Try not to lose it. Oh, we already got one. Heck yeah. First cast of that. It's a big fall fish. Okay. Oop. Heck yeah, that's a good fish. Right there. It's a good fish right there. Good fish. Alright. Here we go. We're gonna let him go here. Whoa. He took off. I don't even know where he went. Oh, there he is. Alright. Well, that's exciting. Let's fix this here, because he beat the heck out of that. Okay. We're back. We're ready to get another cast in here. Oh, I thought that was another one there. May have hit bottom. Yeah, you can see how good that thing looks in the water there. That thing looks really good. Perfect for a bass, and that thing ain't staying on there. He beat the heck out of that thing. Oh, come on, not that branch again. Okay, I think we got off. Nothing on that one. Well, I thought that was a fish right there. I think something's hitting at it. Yeah, it's still good. Yeah, it's a perfect lure for this type of stream here. Or a spinner, but they didn't really like the spinner today, I guess. Oh, I had another bite right there. We might head downstream a little bit here after a couple more casts. Uh-oh, we're calling that stick again. Come on. Alright, let's see if we can get off. Oh, there we go. Came right off. That stick's hard to see up there. Just keep getting caught on it. It's messing up my cast, so I want to get back in that corner there. Oh my goodness. Over it again. Alright, let's see. Oh, we got it off again. That's not going to happen too many more times before we lose it. One more cast in that corner. There we go. That's where I want it. I'm gonna do some hunting videos in here when rifle season comes back in. A couple more days. I feel like something's hitting that. Could be just hitting bottom, but I don't know. Alright, we're probably gonna head down here. Head down that way. See if we can catch anything down that way. I might head up that way then, but I think down this way should be able to catch something. Yeah, we're probably gonna try casting in that back corner there. This looks like a decent spot. Try to get a... Okay, this is probably a good spot right here. It's kind of low right there. Might move down to that opening right there, so we have a better place to stand. Yeah, that's a good cast. Nothing on that one. Right there, it's a good cast. I'd like to get it farther in that corner, but I can't make it there. I think we caught some... Yep, we caught some grass. Let's put him back on. Alright, let's see if we can cast it out there. Get a nice cast on it. I just can't make it to that corner. I think we'll keep catching that grass right there. Yeah, there's more grass on it. Oh my goodness. I can't get a good cast to save my life. I might move back down to my old spot. I think that's the best spot because it's pretty deep there. So I guess we'll head back down there. I'm gonna try casting here like once or twice. Yeah, we'll try right here. See if there's anything. Try right here. See if we don't get caught in any of this stuff. Guess we're gonna go back to our old spot. See if that wants to do anything for us again. We're gonna stay on this rock here. Alright. Uh-oh, that's in the tree. Not anymore. There we go. That was almost bad. I need to rehook him. He's not doing so hot. Alright, now we got it. We might change the locations completely, like change creeks here. Alright, yeah, we might change creeks completely. Because I want to put together a good video for you guys. I don't want it to be boring like the last one. Yeah, I'll give this spot a couple more casts, and we might change locations here. Yeah, we're just gonna change spots. I'll catch back up with you guys once we change locations. I might go to another stream here. It's still early, so we'll see what we can get into. Look at what I just found walking to the new spot. This thing's pretty neat. Kind of scared to stick the camera in there. I don't know if you can see in there. That's really cool. Yeah, I'm gonna stick you guys in there because I'm kind of scared myself to get in there. That's pretty cool though. See anything up there? Yeah, that's pretty neat though. It's like a little house. Huh. Alright guys, we made it to the next spot. We're gonna see how this spot does. Hopefully we can catch something, but who knows. We'll see what we can catch here. Like the first cast. Yeah, I'm just using a spinner, so something should bite on a spinner, but I might have got caught on a stick there. But we'll see what we can catch. Haven't caught anything all day, but I just want to catch a couple more fish before I end the video, because I don't want it to be a boring video for you guys. I want to keep the videos entertaining, but I know you guys don't want to see me sit here and cast all the time, but I don't know. Right there's a fish. Ha, a little shiner. Let him stop getting crazy here. So you guys can see him. Let me make sure I'm recording here. I don't even know if I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. Alright, right there he goes. Sorry I couldn't talk there. I was holding the GoPro with my mouth. So let's put it back on. Okay, that's all. We're off to a good start here. We're gonna see if we can catch any more. Oh man, that was a bad cast. I'm surprised we haven't caught any more fish by now. Oh, I thought that was in a tree. The wind caught it though, luckily. Oh, I thought that was another fish. Could have been. You seen how small that other one is? I'm sure there's tons of them in here. And they're hard to hook. I might move down a bit, but I keep getting bad cast. The wind keeps taking it. Well, something hit it there. Didn't get it though. I see all the little fish come chasing my lure once they get about here. But they ain't biting. They like chasing it, but they don't like biting it. Oh man, right there was one. Man, I'm just not having a good fishing day today. I can't get them hooked. Oh my goodness. I might have been grass that time, so I ain't too upset about that one. It's dry. Yeah, I ain't too upset about that one. I like to cast over in that pool right there, but as you can see, it's pretty windy, so it's hard to get in a good cast over into that pool. And it wants to take it that way, so. I like to catch something other than a fall fish for you guys, so I'm sure you're getting tired of seeing fall fish. I know I am. Got a leaf on. Oh, he fell off. I might move down a bit